Today's topic is Ojas, how Ayurveda builds lasting immunity from the inside out. Hi, I'm Neerja, Ayurveda practitioner, yoga therapist, and human values educator. So welcome to this video on Ayurveda and immunity, where we explore ancient principles that offer timeless solutions to modern health challenges. Today we talk about a powerful yet often misunderstood concept in Ayurveda called Ojas. You may have heard that gut health or immune cells are key to staying well. While that's true, Ayurveda takes a broader and deeper view. In this tradition, your immune strength isn't just about what's happening in your bloodstream. It is also about what's happening in your digestion, your emotions, your sleep, and even your thoughts. And that's where Ojas comes in. There's no one word in English that explains, so let us talk about that. Ojas is the inner reserve that keeps you resilient physically, mentally, and spiritually. When it is strong, you glow, your immunity is high, and when it is weak, even small stressors can knock you down. So let's explore what Ojas is, how you can build it, what depletes it, and why it is the foundation of lasting immunity according to Ayurveda. So what is Ojas? Ojas is considered the essence of vitality in Ayurveda. It is not just a fluid or a substance. It is a subtle, intelligent energy as well. The final product of proper digestion, deep rest, and mental calm. Ojas is what gives us strength, glow, immunity, and clarity. When your Ojas is strong, you feel energized, emotionally stable, and able to handle life's ups and downs with grace. Ayurveda describes the formation of Ojas as the final result of nourishing all 7 tissues of the body: plasma, blood, muscles, fat, bone marrow, and reproductive tissue. When these tissues are formed properly, the purest essence that's produced is called Ojas. You can think of it as your deep immunity, your body's inbuilt wisdom. It is something you want to build and protect over time. Let's look at some of the signs of strong and depleted Ojas now. When someone has strong Ojas, it is noticeable. Their skin looks radiant. Their voice has clarity and steadiness. Their presence feels calming, not rushed or scattered. They handle stress better, recover from illness more quickly, and maintain stable energy throughout the day. And on the other hand, when Ojas is low, we often see fatigue, maybe frequent colds or infections, dry skin, a dull expression, poor digestion, or mood swings. People with depleted Ojas may feel emotionally fragile, overwhelmed, or burnt out, even when they are technically doing all the right things. So, if you have been feeling tired despite resting, easily getting agitated, or like you have lost your spark, it may not just be your immune system that needs support. It could be your Ojas that needs rebuilding. So what builds Ojas? How do we build Ojas? Ayurveda teaches that Ojas is created when we live in harmony with nature, with ourselves, and with our purpose. First and foremost, food matters. Fresh, warm, nourishing meals made from whole ingredients form strong tissues. Things like ghee, almonds, dates, warm milk with spices, and simple spiced khichdi, for example, are some of the traditional Ojas building foods. But beyond ingredients, The attitude with which we prepare and eat our meals matters as well. Calm, gratitude, and awareness support digestion, and digestion is a first step in forming ojas. Second, rest is essential. Deep, regular sleep helps the body restore and replenish, and Ayurveda sees late nights, erratic schedules, and overstimulation as major drains on ojas. Sleep is where your inner pharmacy does its healing work, so honor it. And number three is emotional steadiness. Negative emotions like anxiety, fear, and unresolved grief can weaken ojas, while joy, love, and peacefulness enhance it. Daily reflection, time in nature, connecting with people you love, or even quiet time with your breath can nurture its subtle energy. Number four is sensory diet. What you watch, what you read, and listen has a direct impact on your inner world. Ojas is preserved by uplifting impressions, music, beauty, meaningful conversations, and silence. And finally, self-care practices. Simple rituals like abhyanga or self-massage, sitting in stillness each morning, or sipping warm herbal water throughout the day may seem small, but when practiced regularly, they restore and protect your ojas deeply. So now let's look at what depletes ojas. Just as ojas can be built, it can also be lost. And in our modern world, depletion is common, often without us even realizing it. Some of the most common ojas depleting factors include chronic stress, overwork, poor sleep, processed food, excessive screen time, and emotional trauma. Pushing through fatigue, multitasking without rest, and overexerting ourselves physically or mentally can all drain our reserves. Other factors include skipping meals, cold or incompatible food combinations, and consuming content that creates inner agitation. Even good things, when done in excess or without rhythm, can wear down our vitality. Ayurveda reminds us that sustainability matters. When we constantly push, we dip into our deeper reserves. Eventually, the body says, enough. So, what are some of the daily practices to build and protect ojas? The good news is you don't need to overhaul your life. You can start small and then grow with that. So begin your day with a calm ritual. Sit quietly for a few minutes. Scrape your tongue. Sip warm water or water with some herbs. Take some ghee. These tiny acts signal safety and calm to your nervous system. Eat your meals with awareness, ideally at the same time each day. Focus on nourishment, not restriction. Favor cooked, spiced foods over cold or raw foods. Take moments during the day to pause. Breathe deeply. Step away from screens when you need to. Lie down on the ground. Walk in nature. All of these are ojas friendly acts. Wind down your day early. Dim the lights. Avoid overstimulation. Let the night be a time for healing, not scrolling. And if you can, practice oil massage a few times a week. It's one of the most powerful tools to nourish ojas and calm vata. Even one of these practices done consistently can create a noticeable shift in your vitality. So, ojas is more than a concept. It is the foundation of your immunity, your glow, your resilience, and your emotional steadiness. It is built slowly, intentionally, and lovingly through the rhythms of your life. And if you have been feeling stretched thin, perhaps it is your invitation to return to yourself. Ayurveda teaches that true strength comes not from pushing harder, but from living in harmony with what you truly need. Take care of your ojas, because when you protect your ojas, you protect your essence.